In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create an engaging landing page on Webflow. Let's begin the process by first navigating to your dashboard. Here, you will notice an option to create a new site. Please do click on this option as it sets the stage for setting up your first landing page. Afterward, you will be given two main options to proceed from. These are a pre-made template or a blank canvas. Both options offer unique opportunities for your design journey. However, for the sake of this tutorial, feel free to choose the one that aligns more with your creative vision. A template provides a quick and efficient path to page creation with designed elements and functionalities. On the other hand, a blank canvas provides the freedom to start from scratch, allowing for a fully customized and unique landing page. Next, you will have to assign a name to this project. Naming your project is important as it helps to organize your works and make them easily identifiable. After naming your project, click on the Create button. Now, let's dive into the fun part: adding content to your landing page. Webflow allows you to drag and drop elements onto your page. Some of these elements include headings, paragraphs, and buttons. These elements play a significant role in the communication and interaction with your visitors. Once you've added the textual content, it's time to add some visual appeal to the page. Go ahead and incorporate images or videos to make the page more engaging. These visual elements not only add aesthetic value to your page, but they also effectively explain your offer to the visitors. We are almost at the end, but before we wrap up, it is crucial to ensure your landing page is responsive across all devices. To make sure your page looks good on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones, take advantage of Webflow's design flexibility. Lastly, to let your creativity shine on the great World Wide Web, click the Publish button in the top right corner of the designer. Congratulations, you've just successfully created a landing page on Webflow. Your newly created landing page is now live on the web. Happy designing!